So I think I would prefer to go with this on my why because there is currently an order block and a fair value gap within this range. So I'm expecting price to, if probably I want to go with this, you can see right here that this fair value gap has been mitigated already with this candle wick. So when you look out for supply and demand zone, you look out for imbalances, and the imbalances means gaps in the market, fair value gaps. So look out for fair value gaps when you're marking out your um supply and demand zone. You are surely going to see, you're surely going to, price is going to come back to mitigate that zone eventually. So I think I had an example yesterday. I don't know if I still have that drawing, that setup. If I still have it on. Okay. So that's that for BTC. So what I do, I just draw on the higher time frame and refine it, refine it on the lower time frame. But yeah, we can clearly see that we are on an uptrend. In an uptrend, so should be looking for buys, only buys today. And we have multiple zones right here. But then I would like to go with the extreme zone because I think that's only the zone that has not been mitigated. The imbalances is still active. Sorry about that. I'm using my phone to mark out the zone. Maybe with time I'll start using our system so you can have a bigger screen. So you can see we still have this imbalance here. Let me mark this out. Yep. Yep. So we still have turn it to black. Still have that visible imbalance. And price is still going to come back to mitigate that zone eventually. So that will be all for how to check. Let me check out this. But it looks like this imbalance has been mitigated already. No, that's not. But it's so tiny. We just have this tiny imbalance here. But then, okay. This is still sketchy. But surely I can't use this zone. I can't use this because that's been mitigated already. I can't use this. There's no imbalance in this. So I might probably look out soon. Sorry about that. Let's put my phone on do not disturb. So I should look out for this zone and this. That's what I should look out for today. I'm still going to go to the lower time frame too. With time to what was that English? Jesus Christ. To refine. Thank you, Holy Spirit. I don't know. That sentence skipped my mind. So yeah, I'm still going to go and refine my zone. Yeah, so let me set my alerts. Okay, let me just put it here so I can. So once markets get to this region, get I'll get alerted. So we had some nice trades yesterday. I think I made a review on that. So traded off a demand zone and yeah, and using the ORB strategy. So that was my basic two wins yesterday. So let's go to Euro USD. I don't want to waste time. I just want to map out the zone and disappear and do something else. So yeah, you can see this is what I like to see. I like to see consolidation before. I like to see consolidation before. As okay, this has been filled. So where is the only imbalance that we have right here now? Trying to look for. I'm trying to look for. I think this market is quite choppy. Yep. So let me delete this. Delete. So taking that off. So I can mark out my first zone. Okay. But then we do not have this imbalance has been mitigated. So and this one too. So I don't think we have a clear direction. Market is just consolidating. So I think, but this is my valid. This is my valid the indecision candle. My valid demand zone. But then this, I don't think this zone will hold there is no because there is no I can't see any imbalances. Okay, yep. So if you can see right here, you can see this fair value gap. Let me put on the indicator. You can see fair value gap in a demand zone. You can see how price came here to mitigate that zone. There was there was no close in the candle. The circumference that I look out for. There was no close in that candle. It gave us an indecision candle and price boom went up. So and now I'm not okay. I can't see. Yeah. So I think I'll go with this zone, but price already tapped into this upper zone here, so I'll not want to go with it. This zone here, you can see how price came into that zone. So I think that'll be that for. I should be looking for a trace today because market was actually clearly on an uptrend. So I should look for a trace. Please hold on. I should look for a retracement today because market actually gave us that big move. Is that it? No. Okay, give us this big move. So I should look for basic retracement to any of these zones today. But then I'll still look out for no. I want my videos to be short nowadays. I feel it's too long. I'll turn this off. Yeah, let me delete this. Yes, this is a fresh and okay, yeah, we are currently sitting at a supply zone. You can see this right here, but I won't take this trade yet. I'll wait for London open before I open on the trade. Why? Because you can't see liquidity. Let me just mark this full region. Can see liquidity gathering up around this whole region here. So I don't want to use that as liquidity. I don't want to step in. I can't see any visible liquidity taken out here. So okay, we're in my zone. I think I'll go with this, but then there is no imbalance there. The imbalance has been taken out. You can see there's already a week in that region multiple times. So that demand zone might not hold. Or is the next possible or visible one? Okay, I'm looking at this, but then I don't think this is still in premium. Remember, it's premium and discounts. So, but that price is looking like it's in premium. So, price might not react. Even if it reacts, it might just give us a little bit of reaction. Mm, I know that yeah. So I think that'll be that about that for for GU. So, the market is currently sitting in a supply zone, so I should be looking to buy that pullback. Or should I even say that? Just I'll wait for London section, sure. So I think that's that. Okay, let me take this out. I don't need this anymore. If you see this zone right here, there was no um imbalance there. There was no imbalance. I could have taken this first candle right here, but then there's still no imbalance there. So I'd not want to go with that. So where did market price reacted off? Yeah. So I think that's let me mark out my reference zones today. Now this is looking like a nice one. Looking like market has reacted off that level. So I'll not want to go with that. I'll look for fresh. I mean, should I turn this off? Let me look for fresh zones. Yeah, I'll delete all that. Market has reacted off that level, so pretty much drawing your demand zone is just drawing out the last indecision candle before the big move. So I'm expecting price to come to this level. Then let me take out this, and that's all. The indecision candle might be a bullish candle or a bearish candle, doesn't really matter. So that's on the GJ and UJ. Market tend to act the same way on UJ and GJ. I don't know why I've not deleted all this though. Their market are similar, actually similar to trying to look out for an extreme supplies on that we can use. Okay, so that's one. And we have another one. So when trading the lower time frame, you need to actually look out for the higher time frame overall market trend. So it can be easy for you. So if probably we trading pullbacks, or you can see clearly on a downtrend, so I'm just looking for only sales. So that's why I'm actually like mapping out multiple zones and looking for. I'll just look out for where um which of the zones we hold. I'm gonna take this. I want to take that previous candle, but it's too large, so I'll just go with no, no. I'll move this. Yeah, yeah. So that'll be all for now. So I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted in the nights. Any trades, if there was any reasonable setups that could have been taken. Yep. So that'll be all for now. Stay blessed, guys. Shalom.